Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we saw about Samsung Galaxy M11's detailed specification. On this video we are going to see something different. Yes, the Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi on Thursday announced its entry into the laptop segment with its Mi Notebook series. Mi Notebook 14 and Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition making its global debut in India. Now we are going to see about Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. Under Horizon Edition there are two models. But we are going to discuss about the higher end, which is called as flagship model. And also in this video, we are going to see what are all the new things Xiaomi brought into this laptop when compared to other flagship models. First, we are going to see about general overview of this laptop. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition comes with Windows 10 Home operating system, Intel Core i7 1.8 GHz processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 graphics with a price of 59,999. And the Xiaomi also announced that 59,999 is going to be inaugural price till 16th of July. And after that, there might be a change in price. First, we are going to see about the processor in detail. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition comes with Intel Core i7 10th generation 1.8 GHz quad-core processor with boost clock up to 4.9 GHz. Since this laptop comes with i7 10th generation processor, sure it is going to be a productivity powerhouse for many of you because of its high clock speed and better multi-core performance. And also it is going to be 16% better performance when compared to previous generation. This processor not only comes with 4.9 GHz clock speed, it also includes 300 MHz Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.2. If we see about the graphics, Xiaomi is the one introducing NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 for the first time in India. NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 is dedicated graphics card with a video memory size of 2 GB. With the help of this graphics, you can have a unmatched gaming performance and improved photo and video editing experience. When it comes to display, the Xiaomi Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition comes with 14-inch Full HD display with 91% screen to body ratio and also 178-degree wide viewing angle. This 14-inch Full HD 1080 pixel resolution display comes with super thin 3mm bezels and anti-glare, which makes your screen perfect for working, watching movies and even gaming. The 178-degree wide viewing angle feature helps you to have a clear view of your display in every angle. The Mi Notebook Horizon Edition comes with 46 watt-hour battery and 65 watt charger. And this comes with power backup of 10 hours. Using 65 watt charger, you can go from 0 to 50% within 35 minutes. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition equipped with super fast 8GB DDR4 RAM with a clock speed of 2666 MHz ensures a super fast smooth performance for your Mi Notebook. The Mi Notebook Horizon Edition comes with 512GB of solid state drive with NVMe. The NVMe is nothing but non-volatile memory express, which is specially designed for solid state drive for the increased and efficient performance and interoperability on a broad range of enterprise and client systems. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition equipped with a 512GB solid-state drive with non-volatile memory express gives you the 5 times faster speed, boot ups, game loads and the smoother overall experience compared to the SATA solid-state drive. The Mi Notebook comes with all connectivity options for data transfer, device charging and entertainment. The Mi Notebook Horizon Edition comes with a charging port, one HDMI port, two USB 3.1 port, one USB Type-C port, and one USB 2.0 port and a 3.5mm audio jack. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition comes with 2x2 stereo speakers for loud and clear audio. And also Xiaomi given a DTS audio processing application support to fine-tune sound signatures when you are watching movies or playing music or games. It also has a 3.5mm jack which doubles as a headphones and a mic in. The Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition comes with Scissor Switch keyboard which is designed for smoother and errorless typing experience. The Scissor Switch keys comes with a travel distance of 1.3 mm, which makes coding, documentation and much more all too pleasant due to the tactical feedback. And also the keyboard key is coated with ABS texture and dust protection layer. And it also comes with multi-touch trackpad, which allows you for easy swipe, scroll, selection, zoom in or zoom out, etc. And if there is any unintended touches, to cancel that, the Xiaomi brought built-in palm rejection. When it comes to design, the Xiaomi brought us super thin ultralight laptop with a weight of 1.35 kg, and it comes with thickness of 17.15 mm, length of 321.3 mm, width of 206.8 mm. In this laptop, Xiaomi comes with two new features, Mi Blaze Unlock and Mi Smart Share. The Mi Blaze Unlock helps you to unlock your Mi notebook with the help of a Mi Band. The Mi Smart Share helps you to transfer photos, videos or even work documents from your smartphone to your notebook in an instant. In order to give you all a clear opinion, I compared this laptop with other premium laptops from HP, Lenovo, Asus. I found that those laptops were coming with the graphics of Nvidia GeForce MX 250 and the storage type of SSD only. And the price of those laptops are also a little bit high when compared to Xiaomi Mi Notebook 14. Finally, my opinion is the Xiaomi Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition is best when compared to the existing laptops with this price range. Okay guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.